Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel. Today, get ready to experience something extraordinary, because Kenworth has just built the ultimate 2026 motorhome, and you won't believe what's inside. This is not just another RV, it's a futuristic masterpiece that redefines what it means to travel in style. The Kenworth T2000 Motorhome 2026 combines supercar power, 5-star luxury, and next-level technology into one unstoppable machine on wheels. From the outside, this motorhome looks like a rolling piece of art. The sleek aerodynamic body glows with bold LED accents that give it a commanding road presence, while its massive chrome grille and sculpted body lines hint at the beast within. Underneath, the hybrid turbo diesel engine paired with an advanced electric assist system delivers unmatched torque, speed, and efficiency. It's powerful enough to glide across highways like a sports car, yet smooth enough to make you forget you're driving something this massive. Step inside and the luxury will take your breath away. The cockpit feels like the control center of a private jet. Digital touchscreen panels wrap around the driver, while the futuristic steering wheel and holographic display show real-time performance data. The leather captain chairs are fully adjustable, with heating, cooling, and massage modes built in. And with Kenworth's new AI system DriveSync, you can control everything, and from lighting to navigation, using simple voice commands. Moving into the living area, you're welcomed by an ultra-modern lounge space that blends comfort and technology perfectly. Plush recliners, a 70-inch 4K OLED smart TV, surround sound speakers, and hidden LED ambient lights create an atmosphere that feels more like a luxury suite than a motorhome. Every inch is finished with premium materials, marble textured flooring, gold trimmed accents, and soft touch walls. The kitchen is a chef's dream. It comes equipped with a smart induction stove, touch control oven, refrigerator, and even an automated coffee bar that remembers your preferences. The titanium finish, cabinets, and crystal countertop lighting give it a futuristic glow that feels straight out of a sci-fi movie. The bedroom is where the magic continues, and featuring a king-size smart bed that automatically adjusts to your body, soft ceiling lights that mimic the night sky, and a massive panoramic window for sunrise views. The soundproof design ensures you get total peace after a long day on the road. The bathroom completes the luxury package, designed with black marble floors, a walk-in rain shower, motion sensor mirrors, and digital temperature controls. It feels more like a 5-star hotel spa than something inside a motorhome. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's the future of luxury travel. It's powerful, intelligent, and stunning from every angle. Once you step inside, you'll never want to go home again.